Excuse me, could you help me find the nearest subway station? I'm new to this area and still getting used to the streets.
Of course. It's actually quite close, about a 5-minute walk from here.
That's great to hear. Should I go straight or turn somewhere?
Walk straight until you see the coffee shop on your left.
Okay, the one with the green sign, right?
Yes, exactly. After that, turn right at the traffic light.
And then I just keep walking?
Yes, you'll see the station entrance next to the bookstore.
Perfect. Thanks for explaining it so clearly.
No problem at all. Have a nice day.
Hello, I'd like to make an appointment with the dentist, please.
Sure, is this for a checkup or a specific problem?
Just a regular checkup, nothing urgent.
Okay. Are you available this Thursday afternoon?
Thursday works, but only after 3 p.m.
We have an opening at 4:30 p.m. Would that be okay?
Yes, that's perfect for me.
May I have your name and phone number?
It's John Smith, and my number is 0897-123-456.
Great, you're all set. See you on Thursday.
Hi, I was wondering what time this store opens tomorrow.
We open at 9 a.m. on weekdays.
Oh, I see. And what about weekends?
On weekends, we open a bit later at 10 a.m.
Good to know. Do you close earlier on Sundays?
Yes, we close at 6 p.m. instead of 9 p.m.
Thanks for letting me know.
No problem. Are you looking for anything specific?
Just browsing for now.
Take your time and enjoy your visit.
Hello, may I speak to Mrs. Daniel, please?
This is she. May I ask who's calling?
Hi, this is John from Bright Solutions.
Oh, yes. Nice to hear from you. How can I help?
I'm calling to confirm our meeting tomorrow.
Right. We're meeting at 10 a.m., correct?
Yes, at your office downtown.
Perfect. I've marked it on my calendar.
Great. Thank you for your time.
You're welcome. Talk to you tomorrow.
Excuse me, could you help me find this item?
Of course. What are you looking for?
I'm trying to find a phone charger for Android.
We have several options. Do you want a fast charger?
Yes, preferably one that charges quickly.
Then I recommend this one. It's very popular.
Does it come with a warranty?
Yes, it has a 1-year warranty.
Great, I'll take it.
I'll ring it up for you.
I'm not sure what to order. What do you recommend?
If you like spicy food, our chicken curry is very popular.
That sounds good. Is it very spicy?
It's medium spicy, but we can make it milder.
That would be great. What about drinks?
The iced lemon tea goes well with it.
Okay, I'll take that too.
Would you like rice or bread on the side?
Rice, please.
Perfect. I'll place your order now.
Can you show me how to use this printer?
Sure. First, turn it on using this button.
Okay, it's on now.
Next, place the paper here in the tray.
Like this?
Yes, that's right. Then select your file on the computer.
Got it. What do I do after that?
Click Print and wait a few seconds.
It's working now.
Great, you did it correctly.
Good morning. How's your day going so far?
Pretty good, thanks. Just a bit busy.
I understand. Mondays are always like that.
True. Do you have many tasks today?
Yes, I have a meeting and a report to finish.
That sounds busy. Need any help?
Maybe later if you're free.
Sure, just let me know.
Thanks. I really appreciate it.
No problem at all.
Sorry, could you speak a little more slowly?
Oh, of course. Am I talking too fast?
A little. I'm still learning English.
No worries. I'll slow down.
Thank you. That helps a lot.
Should I repeat what I said earlier?
Yes, please. That would be great.
Okay. I said the meeting starts at 3 p.m.
Got it now. Thanks again.
Anytime. Just tell me if you need help.
Just to confirm, the meeting is tomorrow at 10 a.m., right?
Yes, that's correct. Tomorrow at 10 a.m.
And it's in the main conference room.
Exactly, on the second floor.
Should I bring any documents?
Just the report you prepared.
Okay, I have it ready.
Great. Please arrive a few minutes early.
No problem. I'll be there on time.
Perfect. See you tomorrow.